Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, I'm going to guide you through step-by-step process on how to log in Mazda Finance. First step is to open your browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. After opening your browser, click on the search bar and type in Mazda Finance login. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo. Click on it. Now you need your username and password to log in, so type in your username. Now type in your password. Now if you click on this box, then you are ensuring that you are saving the information on your browser. You can leave it as unchecked if you are logging from public network. If you are having trouble logging in, you can click on this link. Now if you don't have an account yet, you can click on create account to create a new account. Now click on login, and these are the simple steps that you can follow to log in Mazda Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below. Thank you.